How to view and access the working paper template. The working paper template for Virtual Sermon will be posted online at www.sermon.org/virtualconference.php under the Materials and Documents section of the page. It's called Virtual Sermon Working Paper Template. You might notice that the working paper template is a little bit different than usual, but don't worry, there's a reason for this. This is because we will be using Google Docs for our virtual conference. Once you click on the link, you will be directed to a Google Doc that looks just like this. This document is view only, which means you will have to download or make a copy of it for your personal use. To download the template, click on File, then select Download and select Microsoft Word. This is our preferred format. It will download a document that looks just like this for your personal use. To copy the template, select on File, Make a Copy, and click on OK. This will create a copy of the working paper template to your personal Google Drive. This is a document that you will edit and collaborate on with your fellow delegates. When it's time to share the document with other committee members or your dais, make sure that you edit your sharing settings so that they can view, comment, or edit your working paper. You can send them a link directly, or you can download your file and email them a copy. If you have any questions at all, make sure you email your dais.